Thank you all for being here today. This is Jessie.
This is Norris.
As I know, trends such as the so-called Industrial 4.0 have encouraged most traditional factories to transform into smart factories. The smart factory represents a leap forward from traditional automation to a fully connected and flexible system.
Actually, putting the right things in the right place is quite important to establish a smart factory, especially when it comes to product selection. Once we distinguish the product spec and its application scenario and choose the right things, it will bring twice of what we expect.
That sounds reasonable. Is there any practical cases of industrial display applied in factories that you should share with us?
I am glad to. I would like to illustrate 3 different ideal applications which use industrial displays to establish your smart factory. First, Situation Room with white spots application. Let's take a look at the video.
The Situation Room is incorporated with multiple digital signage planning, production monitoring, management scorecards. The overview of all operations permits help you do the data-driven decision-making. Advantech realizes the intelligent factory from a user perspective and helps customers embrace Industry 4.0. Choosing the right signage solution is complex, so undertake the journey with us.
Second, manufacturing process control at an automated production line. External devices supported, quick repair and replacement, and a longer backline mean time between failure are the key reasons why all operators and managers highly depend on industrial touch displays. The advantages of deploying a signage or industrial display with the right external PC, such as fanless embedded computers, is that you could perform remote monitoring and management via a centralized platform, which enables predictive maintenance and efficient troubleshooting while minimizing IoT device downtime. Moreover, integrating with Advantech's EPC series product, which is an ARM-based embedded system, enables powerful computing with multiple expansion slots, facilitates edge deployment of precise machine vision, and can multitask and handle heavy workloads. Let's move on to the final application case, paperless SOP on production lines. Industrial touch displays can help on-site operators to perform quick SOP browsing with Advantech's ultra-slim 4K digital signage player DS series products. Moreover, DS082 is integrated with Advantech's white spots and signage and CMS, content management software for easy signage network management, allowing users to easily edit, layout, schedule, and dispatch media content. An up-to-date scheduling function is also available to allow real-time management of display information and advertising campaigns. With paperless operation, production engineers can not only remotely dispatch SOP quickly to keep away from using wrong SOP, but also could keep those documents away from dust. Besides, with touch functions allowing us to have quicker interaction, I believe that after using this kind of visualized equipment, results will be more efficient and agile, less production downtime, and a greater ability to predict and adjust to change in the facility, possibly leading your factory to better positioning in the competitive marketplace.
Based on these three practical application cases, I think the transformation for those factory owners will not be so challenging. But Norris, among thousands of industrial display products, could you provide some model examples with great performance to us?
Of course, the main purpose that I am here today is to unveil all new industrial display series VUE-5000 and VUE-2000, the most diversified, versatile, and strong display products ever. VUE is named from French with the same pronunciation and meaning of VIEW, has a French origin meaning to see. V means value, U means united design, E means efficiency. Advantech's VUE series are designed to meet the needs of industrial clients. VUE solutions make it easier than ever to integrate them into industrial applications. The VUE-5000 series has an elegant, even bezel design that can accept 90 to 144 VDC power input based on AC power design with power-saving capabilities. It is designed with 18 operating hours by 7 days panel and 50,000 hours backlight mean time between failure (MTBF) and anti-burn-in features to provide an excellent visual experience. VUE-5000 supports landscape and portrait mode, including multiple I/O ports and an SDMA slot to deliver easier extension with Intel Smart Display modules. Along with major upgrades from Full HD to Ultra HD panel solution, optional non-touch, IR touch, and a PCAP touch solution, they are made with robust components and industrial-grade materials. This is our strongest industrial digital signage lineup ever. Before I conclude the introduction of VUE-5000, I would like to emphasize the following. Different from commercial signage, VUE series support longevity supply for diverse applications. So you don't need to worry about supply in the short term. Besides, VUE series offer a fast, ready-to-ship turnkey solution to help improve delivery efficiency, making you get the industrial products as soon as possible. On the other hand, VUE-5000, which is equipped with multiple functions, could be applied to various scenarios. For example, first, you could connect through Advantech's WISE-PaaS service to help you optimize management efficiency in a situation room. Second, with Intel's Smart Display module, you can quickly make the signage transform into an interactive display. Third, integrating with digital player, VUE-5000 could operate as a digital signage to visualize media content. Lastly, what you need for an intelligent interactive dashboard is an industrial mini PC, helping you to enable remote monitoring and control.
Wow! After listening to your complete introduction to VUE-5000, even I want to place an order. As you mentioned before, besides VUE-5000, VUE-2000 is also a brand new model that Advantech will debut this year. Would you want to introduce about it?
Advantech's VUE-2000 series delivers a massive boost in performance with CS10V capabilities for noise immunity, and its high sensitivity PCAP touch screens for gloved operations and the stylus pen. It incorporates ruggedized protection IK08 certified designs and waterproof IP65 certified designs with anti-glare coating cover glass to better resist damage. VUE-2000 series are designed with 18 operating hours by 7 days panel and 50,000 hours backlight mean time between failure, supporting landscape and portrait visual mode, as well as convenient extension to external devices. There is no doubt that VUE-2000 series will also become a popular industrial monitor choice due to its protection-grade materials features, AD board with unified input and output design for different sizes of monitor, and a transformable design to support VESA mount, stand, and bracket installation choices. To give users a smooth touch experience, touch firmware for VUE-2000 is designed to support 12 different glove materials and active stylus. It also features built-in VGA, HDMI, DVI, DP, and USB 3.0 ports to increase adaptability. As just mentioned, VUE-2000 is designed to be transformable with different installation choices, making the industrial monitor experience even more distinctive and powerful in other ways. The monitor can stand alone in your factory. Via VESA wall mount, the monitor can easily hang on the wall. Also, with bracket holes, you could transform the touch monitor into interactive kiosk, giving fabulous consumer experience to your customers. Before I conclude today's webinar, I would like to emphasize the following. First, VUE-5000 with white spots and real-time data helps users make accurate decisions inside situation rooms. Second, VUE series offers longevity supply with quick delivery, comparing to DMS or DTOS lead times. We follow the IoT Mart working model so that you could purchase VUE products online whenever you want. Third, you could enjoy the paperless and the touch operation experience with VUE. Finally, with Advantech device on solution, VUE can perform self-health checking to prevent any urgent malfunctions. So, what are you waiting for? Try VUE to create a new smart factory.